Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two cookingware sets. Both of them have silicone cover on them. Over here by the Umite, this has a wooden handle. Now this one on the right is a 33-piece set. This is a 15-piece set, but you can see they're counting these hooks and some things as pieces. So let's go over what they actually have. So this one, the gray one over here, the Umite, does have measuring cups, and it does have measuring spoons. I really like that. It has this little ladle here, or this for putting on the stove. Over here, they don't have measuring cups or measuring spoons. They both come with a container to hold everything in. Okay, I've kind of matched everything up. Here's the spatulas. So this one, the black one, is a little bit wider. They both are flexible at the end. Here's these spatulas. Again, the nice wooden handle. This is all silicone cover, or this just has silicone down here. Spoons, you can see there's the difference. This one's longer, a little bit bigger. This type of utensil, this is longer. Again, flexible, really flexible there. Tongs look to be about the same. This is for barbecuing. These look to be about the same other than length. Yeah, the ladles are a little bit different. These spoons are a little bit different. The size-wise, pretty rigid. This one's a little bit smaller. And then again, this one, the gray one, has measuring cups, measuring spoons. This one has this like baking knife, this thing, and then this type of ladle also. Now, not everything's going to fit in either one of them, but interestingly enough, I like the wooden handle because the items come out easier, where if these are jammed in there, they can get kind of grippy a little bit. Now, with these being shorter, this is not as tippy. Since these are taller, this one does tend to be just a little tippy, but not too bad, no. Pretty nice. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.